Okay, it looks like these shortest distance from a point to a line problems are simply not going to go away. Remember that they're multi-step, so you need to keep your wits about you when you're solving these. I'm going to start with just drawing a simple sketch. Here's my coordinate plane so that you can visualize what's going on. It says we've been given this line. I'm going to get the line in a slope-intercept form so I can actually see what's going on. So I'm going to start by bringing the x over, so that gives me 2y is equal to x, which gives me y is equal to 1/2 x. Looks like we have it crossing the y-intercept at 0. Do you see that plus 0? That means the rise over the run is 1/2. So I've got this here, up 1/2. So we've got a line that's going to look something like this. Just a sketch, like I mentioned. And we've been given the point -6, 2, which is going to be over here somewhere, all right? So what we are interested in is the point on the line that is closest to F. So remember, the closest point is the one that's going to be perpendicular to it. So we need to find this point right here, the point on the red line that is closest to the blue dot, F -6, 2, all right? Let's remember that because it's perpendicular, what we need is to find the slope of the blue line. Well, the slope of the blue line is going to be the negative reciprocal of the red line. So we have y equals -2x plus b. We do not know where this blue line is going to cross the y-axis. It's going to be way down here somewhere, but we don't know where that's going to be. We can use this point, though, to help us solve for b. Okay, so I'm going to plug 2 equals -2 parentheses for the -6 plus b. When I solve for b, I can see that I get 2 equals 12 plus b. That means b is going to equal -10. I hope you can see all of that algebra, which actually makes sense. It's going to be way down here somewhere. So now we have two equations. We have the red line equation and we have the blue line equation. The blue line equation is y equals -2x minus 10. The red line equation is y equals 1/2 x. Now, we want to find this point right here. If we set these equations equal to each other and solve for x and y, that will be this point that solves both equations. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to set them equal to each other. I have 1/2 x. They both equal y, so that's why I can do that, is equal to -2x minus 10. I don't like these fractions, so I'm going to clear them. I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 2 because of this 2 right here. If I multiply this first side, I get x. Let me just show you that. I'm multiplying by 2. And then here, I'm multiplying everything here by 2. All right? So that gives me x here, because these guys cancel, equals -4x minus 20. Solving for x, that gives me 5x is equal to -20. I brought the 4 over. So now I know that x is equal to -4. All right? I know that y equals, well, probably the easiest place to plug this -4 in is right down here, because I can do the rest in my head. -2 times -4 minus 10 will give me +8, and -10, which is -2. So find the point on the line that is closest to F. That point is -4, -2. This point right here is -4, -2. Now, if it would ask me to find the distance, this blue line distance, I could use this coordinate and this coordinate to help me find that distance using the distance formula. It did not ask me to do that. All it asked me to do was find the point, so this is my final answer.